Well, greetings, YouTubers. It's, what is it? Tuesday, 29th of March. Just wanted to share this with you. These are the days that I wish I had some turbines, a wind turbine out. I have my, I can't reach it, but I don't know if you can see it. But we are having a blustery, windy day. And if I only had a wind turbine up in the sky, I would be making tons of power. I don't know what I'd do with it, but it's been like this all day, 10, 20, 30-mile-an-hour winds all day. It's just an amazing thing to watch. I'll see something go by the window, and who knows what it was. Look at those trees. I'm glad we don't have leaves up yet, because I would probably be sitting in darkness right now running a generator. It is amazing. And it's cold. Without the wind, it's cold. It's 30, about 35, maybe 35, maybe. I don't know. It's cold. Just thought I'd share. I don't have a mobile camera at the moment to show you the updates in the weeds room, but I've added more shelves, and yeah, I might be able to set this up on my laptop. Yeah. Have a great day. Great days. Great days. Great.